by some friends of mine who had little sisters in the, it was kind of like a youth thing, so. But I remember I didn't talk to any of them. I was just kind of backstage in my kind of grandpa outfit with my monocle and my top hat. And all the little girls, because there was all these little ballerinas, were really scared of me because I had a beard, you know, these kind of older gentlemen. So I just kind of showed up, and the director was really crazy and had all these crazy demands, like, for the dancers though, like if me or any of the other guys, because we were all just volunteers from our high school, wanted to do something, she was totally fine with it. But if anyone of her like students was like, hey, Miss Susan, can I just not have to go all the way around the stage to get to my cue? My cue? She'd be like, no, you can't. I'm sorry, little girl, you can't. You can't do that because I'm directing the show, and that's not what we're gonna do today. And I would come down and be like, hey, you know, it'd be really faster for me if my pipe was right here when I got to it on stage. It was just waiting for me. She'd be like, hey, you know what? That's a great idea. Thank you so much for helping us out. You know. So.
Jeff. Oh, you're late, but that's okay.
Oh,
Jeff.
woo! Yeah.
I want you to know something. See all this? All these props, I made them last night for my play. And guess what? You have total creative control. Go ahead, break all my hard work. Please do, I want to cry.
Mr. Samuels, are you sure?
Jeff, do I look like the kind of man who is not sure?
Okay. This is a really intricate crystal sculpture that you made here.
That took me all night. Oh! I guess I deserve that.
Oh, hey! I recognize this necklace. This is from your dead grandmother, isn't it?
It was from the Civil War originally. Oh! Thank you. Oh. Very good. Excuse me, I'm just gonna take.
Hey! Who told you you could come in here? Get out of here! Oh! Get out of here!
Young people are so willful, aren't they? I really have to just squelch them, you know?
Honey, I made you dinner. I made your favorite. I made pesto primavera.
Yeah, but you took liberties that weren't yours to take, honey.
I guess I should have just waited for you to come home and then told me everything I should have been doing.
Well, you should have let Jeff decide.
That's another
Come
thing.
on! Hey, Jeff, no, you're late, but that's okay. Everyone's pulling all kind of stunts. Can you talk to her? I gotta go clean the garage.
Hi, Jeff.
Hi. You're Mr. Samuel's wife?
Yes. Yes, I am. Praise wife. He has promised to love till death do we part. Okay. You see,
Is this your wedding ring?
yes. Excuse me?
What's all the hubbub in here?
Your little friend here?
Yeah?
Just snorted my red ring.
Oh, you did, didn't you?
Yes.
Oh. That's what I'm talking about.
No, good job.
What's wrong, honey? What? Honey, I'm moving out. I don't like this free spirit you turned into. I'm getting my things, I'm staying with my sister.
Fine. You're coming to the hospital with me, and we're gonna get my ring back. Okay? Hey!
So Jeff's the new man in charge, huh?
Taking control of my husband. And I thought maybe I saw your ad in the paper and you could help me out.
Yeah, I bet you thought that. See, I'm working in the same play as Jeff. Touched a coin and director didn't like that too much. Now I'm out to cause havoc.
You were touched the coin guy? I I heard about you, you didn't even know your name.
You're damn right. Didn't even know my name.
But you'll be able to help, yes?
Yeah.
I mean, all these tools. So sharp. What is it?
Yeah, check out the knife.
Oh.
Almost sharp enough to attack someone, huh?
Yeah, almost sharp enough.
Look, honey, I've had a change of thought, and I guess you can come stay with me and my sisters. Hey, what's that you got there?
Oh, it's just a knife. That's all it is.
Oh, well, good.
Come stay with you and your sisters?
Yeah,
What about the house?
I don't know, bird. Jeff will do something. It's good with these things. You know that, honey.
Yeah.
I miss you, babe.
Oh yeah, I miss you too, honey.
I wish we could be together forever, like Romeo and Juliet.
You're a theater director.
Yeah,
And even I know from high school that Romeo and Juliet died.
I don't think that's right. Oh, sure. Yeah, they do.
So you want to be my Romeo?
Whoa. Yeah.
Winston! Winston, get in here! I need your help! Yeah! Winston! Winston! I need you to put on this spooky mask and go scare my daughter.
Okay, you got it.
Thank you, Winston.
Whoa, Daddy, I can't wait to trick or treat.
No! No, it's okay. Don't worry.
Oh,
Daddy saved you!
Fucking all the candy for the kids.
Father saved my life, brother.
Don't mind me, I just saved our daughter.
This scary costume, is that? I'd say it's Winston.
You got me! I only have one dose!
You've killed our daughter. You've killed our daughter. Oh, don't mind me. Just doing some shopping. This shopping center.
Okay.
Please go big at business.
I mean, I was until they started that conversation. Hey, you look familiar.
Oh, probably not.
Have I seen you in the papers, the news, or something?
I think I remember if someone had asked me for my name and my age to put in the paper.
I don't think they asked you, maybe, because I think you were kind of like the feature of the story. One of those kind
I'm
of.
sure I don't know what you mean. Who killed us?
Something real familiar about you, but I don't know what it is. I'm late from soccer practice.
Kellogg's.
Hey, you have to buy it to solve the puzzle.
Have I seen you somewhere before? Were you on TV?
No, I think I'd remember if there was a camera crew following me around for 4 years of my life.
You look really familiar, but I can't place my finger on it.
Little crime raisins. Maybe I should go for brand name raisins.
Were you on a cop show? Were you ever on a cop show? Is that it? Were you on?
I think I'd know if I had a criminal record and people were looking for me.
Local shopping mart killer on the loose. Huh. Hey, you look familiar! Nah! It's kind of sharp! You can't be the guy!
That's me. Hey.
Hey, I remember you were on NCIS, weren't you?
Slice like a ball.
Raisins.
That was the single best slumber party I've ever had.
Not so hard, Richard. Enough playtime, though.
Yes, we should get to why we're really here.
I know you know where the bombs are, and I want you to take care of them.
Oh, Peter!
Look,
You know I can't do that until I get my ransom. You cheeky little so-and-so. I'm gonna detonate one of them every hour until I'm paid.
well, if you don't tell me where the bombs are, I'll tell Mike you like him.
No!
What's that? Location codes for the bombs? That can't be. Looks like it's time to call Mom!
Okay. One of them's in City Hall.
City Hall? Sure. Like you know anything about the government.
I know plenty about the government. I know more about the government than you know about boys. Hey, shut the hell up!
I know plenty about boys. I know they're uvulas just like us.
Stand down my throat. Come on.
Get out of here!
Come on.
And you don't understand boys.
What? No, I know plenty. I know that your skin is slightly rougher than mine, but still a nice gentle tone.
Candles for Christmas?
Peter, you know so little about boys, you don't even realize. You are a boy. What?
How do you take it?
Not well.
I knew I should have told him when he was born. But you know, it's so hard raising a daughter in this world today. You know, that a woman grows up thinking she has to get married.
Well, that's
I didn't want that for him. I did because I didn't tell him it was a boy. So that would make more sense, I suppose.
We should really stop beating around the bush. Do you have my money or not?
Yes, I have it. In my waistband. I just want to thank you for telling him and releasing me from this burden.
And I thank you and the local police department for their cooperation.
It's all there, you know.
The code for disarming the bombs is on this USB stick.
Thanks.
Bye-bye!
So I'll just take this to the police then.
Did you get the code?
Yes, it's on this
She
USB.
left the card on the USB stick.
But I think we should.
What?
Thank you!
No problem anytime.
Don't you need to say over or Roger if either of those?
You've been watching too many movies.
How's Stacy doing?
Stacy is doing well. She is at soccer practice.
Oh, good! She's been working really hard!
Yeah, we gotta defuse a bomb. So,
Oh, sorry, don't mind me!
Did somebody say bomb?
why do you think we're here?
We got the disarming codes for the bombs!
It's on the USB stick.
It's right there.
Okay.
I'm going to go home to my son and give him a talking to. Please save our town from
I understand.
whatever terrorism is occurring here.
You know,
It's been a long time coming.
Yeah.
I will not be interrupting
It might seem.
you.
I got the stick.
Yeah.
Yeah, Commissioner, should we plug it into the CD ROM? Try.
Plug it in. Let's find out where that bomb's located.
I agree, we should find out. That's good that we're on the same page here.
Oh. West 200, North 500. Jeff's house.
Why do you get that look on your face, Commissioner?
Oh, nothing to
worried about.
Oh, okay.
Got to Jeff's house. Hey, these bombs are getting heavy on my neck.
I don't have the disarming codes. I don't know what to tell you.
Well, you don't have to disarm me, just move them from around my neck to maybe the floor,
I can't do that unless Mr. Samuels gives me the okay.
building, or something, not my home. Please.
Jeff! Jeff, will you see my VCRs?
Yeah, I heard about
Thank you, Jeff. What's going on here?
a terrorist strapped bombs to this man. Put him in my house.
Where did you get off?
I am so not sorry. I'm a victim here. I've got bombs attached to my neck.
Can you believe this? This is my house. You can't just bring bombs in here.
I would leave, but the handcuffs.
He does have a point. He's strapped down to that chair. Very difficult for him to do that to himself. Which is why it's all the more impressive, you sneaky little minx.
What are you getting at?
Look, man, I'm just calling a spade a spade.
Really? Spade a spade?
I don't see the problem with that expression. It's a show.
Sure, maybe we just were raised differently.
You come in my house, you threaten how I was raised, I want you.
I want these bombs off my neck!
Jeff, what can we do about this? Jeff, you're the brains behind this whole thing. Aren't you, Jeff? My Jeff? My sweet Jeff?
Well, all I really know is how to break stuff.
Then thank
Oh.
you, Jeff.
I have critical thinking skills. Break these handcuffs. Not my neck.
Just
No, don't. Oh.
The chair is broken.
Oh my gosh. I've been doing a lot of wall sits, but I'll just Okay, so now I'm just gonna go, okay? I'm gonna run out of town and I'm gonna save the town.
But
Okay?
what about you?
Well, me, I'm just a nobody with no name and no backstory, no nothing. No
He's gone, Jeff. And you're still here.
And scene!
Thank you all very much. We've been the Dead Parrot Society from Western Washington University.